Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale. This one is going to be a 2018 F-115 LB. This is a 20-inch remote. This one came back 403 hours, 190 PSI on all 4 cylinders. It will come with a good used prop. It's actually one of our test props. It's a 17 pitch. It'll come with a new control box. It's got new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil. Go ahead and get this one fired up here. Pumping good water. Give it a second here. Go ahead and put it in forward. That sound that you hear was actually the tank rattles on the concrete floor. Reverse. Neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you. Have a great day.